loves, welcome back. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I already went in with IBD gel to sculpt my nails. I am going to leave the pinky and the pointer finger blank because I am going to go on top with gel nail polish. I am going to be using this Arte clavo white gel polish. You could use whatever white gel polish you have, and I am going to be using this beautiful autumn glitter mix that I made using different kinds of glitters that I bought off of eBay. They're the glitter ones that come in that little container, and it has like 12 little slots. And of course I am going to be using the sequence autumn leaves, and as well I got that off of eBay. It didn't take that long to come. I think it took about 3 weeks tops. But yeah, so after that I added the glitter and the autumn leaves, I am going to go ahead and cap it. And then on the middle finger I am going to be using some alcohol inks. Now you could use whatever alcohol inks you have. I don't have none, so I decided to use some of my art stuff that I have. I use a lot of markers, so I use a lot of ink refillable cartridge, and the brand that I'm using is Copic. I mean, they're very pigmented. You can make yourself so many of the ink tints, how many you want, because of the cartridge that I have. But I wouldn't really necessarily use it all the time because it is really expensive. Like for the bottle, like it's about $5. So with that being said, I'll probably end up like buying like empty little nail polishes and just like drop a couple of drops in there, probably one, because it's very pigmented, and make my own tints like that. But this is my first time trying it, you guys, so it went okay. And I did try the new technique, this little technique that I've been seeing around on Instagram and on Facebook and stuff like that. The bubble technique, where you add the soap and then you shake it and then you add it on top of whatever gel polish you're going to use it to add that effect. So yeah, and towards the end you could leave the pointer finger, not the pointer finger, the middle finger without adding any 3D roses. I just decided I felt like it just needed, you know, that extra. So I did add that 3D flower. You don't have to if you don't want to. It still looks very pretty just as is. So just remember, all the products will be listed down below in the description box. And if you like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share for more videos like this. And see you guys until next time. Bye.